Good morning children. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am discuss about 8th class exponents and powers assignment key solutions. So in subject assignment is having two Romans. In first Roman MCQ and second Roman filling the blanks. So first I will explain. First Roman. In first one is the value of 256. The value of 256 plus 7 whole to the power of 0. So 256 plus 7, how much? 263 whole to the power of 0. You know that a to the power of 0 equal to 1. One of the properties of exponents and powers, a to the power of 0 equal to 1 with base, any base except 0. With any base except 0. So you know that a to the power of 0 equal to 1. So you take a value 266. 266 whole to the power of 0 value is 1. So your option is C. Next, second one. The value of minus 2 whole to the power of 7. This is exponential form, right, in expanded form. So minus 2 whole to the power of 7 can be written as minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 up to 7 times. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into plus, plus into minus minus. Why? Because here exponent is odd number. Here exponent is odd number. So negative whole to the power of exponent is odd number, you get negative value. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are 128. So minus 128. Which option? B. Option B is correct. Is clear? Next, third one. If a to the power of m that equal to a to the power of n, so as base are equal, powers must be equal. As base are equal, so therefore m equal to n. Why? Because as bases are equal. Then exponents must be equal. So therefore m equal to n. So which option? C option. C is correct. Now fourth one. What is fourth question? The base of, so you a to the power of m, in a to the power of m, your base is a. What is base? Base a exponent. Exponent equal to m. Like that, minus 274 whole to the power of minus 3. So which one is base? Here base is comparing with a to the power of m. Here base, this is base. Base is minus 274. So B, option B is correct. Is clear? Next, fifth one. So you know that a to the power of m by a to the power of n, if m is greater than n, m is greater than n, if m is greater than n, then a to the power of m by a to the power of n, that equal to a to the power of m minus n. Like that, 7 to the power of minus 4 by 7 to the power of minus 6. So we observe that base are equal. Now compared to the exponent, which one is greater? Minus 4 is greater than minus 6. Minus 4 is greater than minus 6. That's why 7 to the power of minus 4 minus of minus 6. Why? A to the power of m minus n form. So 7 to the power of minus 4 plus 6. That equal to, now simplify the exponents. 6 minus 4 you get 2. 7 square you get 49. So 7 square is answer. So we have which option is correct? B, option B is correct. Now explain and second Roman. Filling the blanks. Sixth one. Minus 4 whole cube. Minus 4 whole cube. A to the power of m. So can be written as a into a into a into up to m times. So minus 4 whole to the power of 3, that means minus 4 whole cube. So here base is minus 4, exponent is 3, minus 4 arrays in 3 times, multiple with 3 times. Here power is odd number, you get negative. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Minus 64, its answer is minus 64. Sixth one answer is minus 64. Any doubt? Next, seventh one. 2 square into 3 square by 2 to the power of minus 2 into 3 to the power of minus 1. So 2 to the power of minus 2, 1 by a to the power of minus m, we get a to the power of m. Like that, 2 square into 3 square into 1 by 2 to the power of minus 2 into 3 to the power of minus 1. So 2 square, 1 by its value is 1 by 2 to the power of minus 2, 1 by 2 to the power of minus 2, 2 square. Why? Because 1 by a to the power of minus m equal to a to the power of m. Like that, 1 by 2 to the power of minus 2 equal to 2 square. So it can be written as 2 square into 3 square into 3 to the power of minus 1. So another using form is a to the power of m into a to the power of n. A to the power of m plus n. As base are equal, powers must should be added. 2 to the power of 2 plus 2, 3 to the power of 2 plus of minus 1. That equal to 2 to the power of 4, 3 power 1, 2 to the power of 4. So 2 to the power of 4 value, 2 arrays in 4 times, its value is 16. 2 to the power of 4 value is 16. So 16 into 3, that equal to 48. 16 into 3 equal to 48. That is 7th answer. Is clear? Once again, 2 square into 3 square by 2 to the power of minus 2 into 3 power minus 1. So you know that 1 by a to the power of minus m equal to a to the power of m. So 2 square, 3 square, so it can be written as 1 by 2 to the power of minus 2. So 1 by 2 to the power of minus 2 can be written as 2 square. So its value is, now simplify these terms. So 2 to the power of 4 into 3, 2 to the power of 4 value 16 plus into 3 you get 48. Is clear? Now 8th one. What is 8th question? The value of 4 power 0, 5 power 1, 2 square. 8th question. 4 to the power of 0 into plus 5 to the power of 1 plus 2 to the power of 2, that means 2 square. 4 power 0, so a to the power of 0 equal to 1. So 5 power 1 equal to 5. 2 square equal to 2 into 2, you get 4. So now substitute the values 1, plus 5 plus 4. You get result is 10. Next one. 91. 2 to the power of x equal to 32. 2 to the power of x equal to 32. Find the value of x. So 32 can be written with base 2 form. 32. 2 16s, 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s. So 2 to the power of x equal to 32 can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 to the power of 5. So as base equal, then powers must be equal. Therefore x equal to 5. Therefore x equal to 5. Is clear? Next. 10th one. The value of a to the power of m by a to the power of n when n is greater than m. So a to the power of m, here condition is if m is greater than n, then a to the power of m by a to the power of n, that equal to a to the power of m minus n. Another condition is if m equal to n, if m equal to n, then a to the power of m by a to the power of n, that equal to 1. Next, if m is less than n, nothing but n is greater than m. M is less than n, nothing but m is greater than n. Then a to the power of m by a to the power of n, that equal to 1 by a to the power of n minus m. So your answer is 1 by a to the power of n minus m. Now take one example. So 2 to the power of 4 by 2 to the power of 5. So this is m, that is n. So 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. Now take 1 by 2 to the power of 5 minus 4. 2 to the power of 5 minus 4, that equal to 1 by 2. Why? Because 2 to the power of 4 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 by 2 to the power of 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into up to 5 times. So that means 1 by 2. Is clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.